In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a signature in Dropbox. First, open your preferred web browser and search for Dropbox. You will see several results that may include the official Dropbox website. It's important to ensure you are clicking on the correct link to avoid any phishing sites. Look for the link that starts with www.dropbox.com. This is the official site. Once you find it, go ahead and click to enter the Dropbox homepage. This step is crucial as it sets the foundation for what you're about to do next. Next up, click on the correct link to access the Dropbox website. This might seem straightforward, but navigating to the right site ensures that you have a secure and reliable experience. Once you are on the homepage, you will see options to log in or sign up. If you are already a user, look for the login option. This will lead you to the area where you can enter your credentials. You are now one step closer to creating your signature. Now log into your Dropbox account using your email and password. Make sure to enter the details accurately. If you have forgotten your password, there is a reset option available. When you successfully log in, you will be directed to your Dropbox dashboard. This is where all your files and documents are stored. Logging in is essential as it provides access to all your documents for signature creation. After that, select the document you want to sign and open it. You can find your documents listed on the dashboard or in specific folders. Click on the document to view it in the Dropbox viewer. This is where you will perform the signing action. It's important to choose the correct document to avoid any mistakes. You are now ready to start the signing process. At this point, click on the sign option usually located at the top of the document viewer. This will open up the signing interface where you can create your signature. The sign button is typically easy to find and is marked clearly. Clicking this option allows you to proceed with adding your signature to the document. This step is crucial as it prepares the document for your signature. Next, click on the option to sign yourself. This action will give you the tools needed to create your signature in a way that feels comfortable for you. You will have several options to choose from. This is a significant step because it allows you to personalize your signature, making it unique to you. Now select one of the three visual creator tools available. You can choose to draw your signature, type it, or upload an image of it. If you want to draw, click on the pencil icon. If you prefer typing, click the keyboard icon. Lastly, if you have a handwritten signature image ready, click the camera icon to upload it. Each method offers a different way to create your signature. This flexibility ensures you can choose what works best for you. If you choose to draw, you can use your trackpad, mouse, or touchscreen device to physically create your signature. For typing, you can select from various digital cursive fonts that look professional. Uploading an image is simple. Just make sure the signature is clear and on a white background. This versatility is important as it accommodates different user preferences and styles. Finally, save the signature by clicking the blue Select or Insert button. This action locks your signature into your profile vault, making it available for future use. Once you click this button, you will see a confirmation pop-up indicating that your signature has been saved successfully. This final step ensures that your signature is securely stored and ready for use whenever you need it. And that wraps up the process of creating a signature in Dropbox. With your new signature saved, you can now easily sign documents whenever you need. Thank you for watching.